Mohala Mai o Hau, How Hau Became Hau'ula, written by Robert Lono Ikua, illustrated by Matthew Kavika Ortiz. Hau was the youngest of 4 sisters. Her kaikua ana, or older sisters, were known throughout the land for their stunning beauty. My trunk stands tall and majestic, said Niu the hiapo. My gentle leaves sway to and fro. He nani no ho'ikau. I must be beautiful. My trunk is straight and sturdy, said Pūhala, the second kaikua ana. My clusters of leaves wave in the wind. Heui no ho'ikau. I must be gorgeous. My trunk is strong and firm, said Lehua, the other kaikua ana. My brilliant red flowers attract many birds. He hie no ho'ikau. I must be charming. Hau, the muliloa, thought very differently of herself. My trunk is wild and crooked. My big leaves always fall to the ground. He pupuka no ho'ikau. I'll never be beautiful like my kaikua ana. Niu could do all kinds of things. With her leaves, she made papale, baskets, and brooms. With her fruit, she made juice, oil, and vaiu. Pūhala could do all kinds of things. With her leaves, she made moena, hats, and sails. With her fruit, she made paintbrushes, medicine, and lei. Lehua could do all kinds of things. With her flowers and leaves, she made lei, tea, and dye. With her trunk, she made instruments, canoes, and hale. Hau, on the other hand, did not know what she could do. My flimsy leaves flap around in the wind, she said to herself. All the kids laugh at me and stomp on my branches. Tcha. One day, the 4 sisters and their parents went to a family aha'aina. As usual, their mahua asked each of the sisters to dance a hula. Niu went first. Pūhala was second. Lehua was third. The 3 kaikua ana danced beautifully. Hau was last. She trembled with nervousness and forgot her motions. Her kaikua ana began to laugh and tease her. They called out, "Na luli luli, na luli luli," because Hau was so shaky and unsteady. The 3 kaikua ana were scolded by their parents, but they continued to tease Hau. That evening, Hau walked home, very kaumaha. She wondered why her sisters were so beautiful from head to toe, yet so mean and ugly inside. And she wondered why she was so worthless and awkward. Hau cried and cried herself to sleep. As she lay sleeping on her moe, a kupuna wahine appeared to her in a dream. "My dearest Hau, e ho'olohe mai. You are so beautiful and have many gifts to share. But my leaves make a mess," Hau sobbed. "Keiki stomp on my branches. Everybody laughs at me." "You don't know this," said the gray-haired kupuna, "but children love to play in your branches and leaves. You bring joy and laughter to many, my dear Hau. Listen to me. When you realize your gifts and inner beauty, you will truly blossom." The next morning, as the bright la rose in the east, Hau's tears began to dry. She smiled at the memory of what the kupuna had shared. Maybe children like playing with me, she thought. Maybe my next hula will be better. She felt a change in her. Where she once felt empty and worthless, she now felt confident and hopeful. The change inside began to show on the outside. Hau's plain green leaves had turned red, and there now grew among the red leaves a bright yellow flower. Later that morning, Hau's ohana gathered again to eat the leftover mea'ai. As Hau greeted them with a big smile, her kaikua'ana noticed something different. "O Hau kela?" they asked each other. "Is that our youngest sister? It's like she's changed overnight." Niu, Pūhala, and Lehua were amazed at Hau's quiet strength and confidence. As they danced hula together, all eyes were now on Hau. She was poised and graceful, like an eel soaring in the clear sky. Her beautiful red leaves danced in the wind. Her yellow flower was now joined by more flowers, some yellow, some orange, all glistening in the sunlight. Because of her red leaves, Hau was given a new name, Hau'ula, or Red Hau. Hau'ula made lei, dye, and medicine with her leaves and flowers. With her branches, she made rope, fishing tools, and lupe. Hau'ula began to see that she had many gifts to share, just like the wise kupuna said. She now understood her unique ability to bring joy and laughter to others. Most of all, she learned that true beauty comes from within.